Hey, welcome to the Boost Your Russian Affiliate Program. This is a video tutorial on how to use the affiliate dashboard, where to get your referral links, and how to use them. So when you log into the affiliate dashboard, you land on this page, which is a summary of all your affiliate activity. How many clicks your affiliate links got, how many sales you referred, and eventually how much commission you earned. Here you can change the date range. And this is a test account, that's why everything is in zero. And obviously, that's what your affiliate dashboard will look like when you first log in. If you go to the second tab, Products, you'll see here all the products that you are approved to promote. At the moment, you can only promote the courses that you enrolled in, personally tried, and loved. In the future, I may allow my affiliates to promote all my courses at the same time. So in this test account, you can see all three of my courses, but again, in your dashboard, you may see only one, two, or all three courses, depending on how many courses you are enrolled in. Let's open the News and Slow Russian course and see what's inside. The first thing that you'll probably see is going to be the red button here that says that your PayPal account is inactive. This simply means that you must connect your PayPal account before you can start promoting my courses. So click here, connect your PayPal account, and follow the instructions. When you do that, you are ready to start, and you'll see here a list of all affiliate links associated with this product. All these links are unique to you, and you can see that each link includes your affiliate ID that you chose upon registration. This is a list of all of your affiliate links to promote News and Slow Russian. If you click on all these links, you'll see that they lead to different pages related to the News and Slow Russian course. The first link leads to the home page. The second link goes to the sales page. And the third link leads to the free trial sign up page. It doesn't matter which of the three links you use to promote the product. If your referral clicks on any of the three links and eventually buys the News and Slow Russian course, you'll be credited the sale. The only reason why I included here several links that lead to different course-related pages is for your convenience, because sometimes when you recommend the course, you may want to send people directly to the sales page if they're already ready to buy. And other times you may want to tell them first to go to start with a free trial. Or if you have a website and write a blog post about News and Slow Russian, you may want to link to the homepage. So for every course, you'll have several links to choose from, and it doesn't matter which one you decide to use. You will always be credited a sale as long as the new student came from using your affiliate link. Also remember that your referrals do not have to make a purchase on their first visit. My system will keep track of them and credit to you any sale made within a year after their first visit. Now, if you click on this little blue icon, you'll see a breakdown of all pricing options that exist for this course and also your commissions for each pricing level. For example, if your referrals purchase the pricing option pay in full, which is $197, they will be charged $197, and you will receive a 30% commission, which is $59.10. You'll also find the same breakdown in the affiliate guide that I sent you by email. Here is a tab with the promo materials for this course. You will find some banners, logos, and mock-ups that you can use to promote the product. Check this tab from time to time because I may add additional materials over time. Also, if you want to use a particular promo material that is not available here, please don't hesitate to contact me and I'll see what I can do. If you go back to the product tab and click on a different course, you'll see exactly the same structure. A list of affiliate links here related to the course. For example, for the Russian verb drills course, you can send your referrals either to the sales page, where they can read all the information about the course, or you can advise them to take part in my free training, and at the end of the training, they'll get an offer to buy the course. Again, you can use any of the links to promote the course. Here you'll see the details about the pricing options and your commissions. And on this tab, you'll find some useful promotional materials that you can use in all your campaigns. Now let's go back. Here on the Transactions tab, you'll find more detailed information about all the sales you referred. And the final tab is your commission history, where you'll see all your past payouts. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, the affiliate dashboard is pretty much intuitive. I guess the main thing that I wanted to clarify is that there are several links for each product and you can use any of them to promote the product. Also, one more very important detail. If you are approved to promote several of my courses, even if you promote course A, but your referral buys course B in the end, you will still get a commission. How cool is that? Okay, then make sure you read the FAQ section in the affiliate guide, and if you still have any questions, shoot me an email.